speed versus velocity. So after watching the short mini video, let's talk about just a second about the difference between speed and velocity. Speed is still an amount of distance over time, and velocity is also the amount of distance over time, but something is added to velocity, the direction that you're going. So as you can tell, these formulas are just the same. So sometimes you might see speed equals distance over time, and sometimes you might see velocity equals distance over time, but then you'd add the direction to it if it is given. I'd like for you to draw a large triangle. Divide it in half, and then divide the bottom in half. Go ahead and fill it in, distance on the top, and time and velocity on the bottom. Now, these can be reversible. You could have velocity written over here and time written over here. This is just a real great way to help you be able to remember the formula for any of these. Right now we've talked about velocity equals distance divided by time. Now, if we are given our time and our velocity and we don't know what the distance is, it is time times velocity. If you don't know what the time is, it's distance divided by velocity. So velocity is distance divided by the time. Time is distance divided by the velocity. And distance is time times velocity. So depending upon what our unknown is and what our knowns are, then we would be able to calculate velocity, distance, or time. So in the next section, we're going to take a look at working some different problems.